Namaskaram, my divine family, and welcome to Panchaportal, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Moksha trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Namaste. A warm welcome to all beautiful people who eagerly await the cosmic guidance of the Mokshpata board every week. I'm Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer, bringing for you the reading for the week of 15th September to 21st September in regard to health. The reading for this week comes on a positive box of celestial aim, which is central to personal power, freedom of choice, and decision making, and influences self-worth, self-esteem, and self-confidence also. Sometimes in this week, we might have difficulty making choices due to an abundance of options, but it is prudent to opt for healthy options related to food items. Nourishing diets at regular intervals, choosing fresh fruits and vegetables over junk food, not getting swayed by the allure of gourmet desserts are some healthy choices we can make. We should engage in physical activity, move our body, go for walks or join gym, do deep breathing exercises or pranayam, or there will be a chance of arthritis setting in. Practice mindfulness and stress reduction, for there is chance of mental health challenges such as aggression and even feeling of helplessness in decision making. We should not disregard the importance of rest and relaxation too. We need to cultivate self-compassion and acceptance and can explore new activities and interests during breaks from routine. We need to understand the importance of self-care and self-fulfillment too. The board guides us to be aware of any overindulgence which can lead to an addictive behavior. A routine can be established which prioritizes overall well-being and balances extreme desires. To sum it up, we should incorporate natural wellness practices, let go of any personal perceptions, and accept the natural path of purification, releasing negativity and attachment. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates in the coming weeks.
ऐसा कहते हैं कि human beings are social animals. We are all interdependent on each other. So, our relationships are very, very important in our lives. Namaskar, my name is Nupur and I'm here to present your reading for the third week of September from the 15th to 21st of September on a very important aspect of our life, our relationships. The Mokshpad board and the masters guide us that this week will be a week of great light and compassion. There will be a shift in your relationships. You will experience forgiveness and be able to forgive both, either जिसको आपने hurt किया है या किसी ने आपको hurt किया है. So there is an energy of forgiveness coming your way. And if forgiveness is there, what do you feel? We feel light. We will be able to experience the unique talent, the unique gift, the love, the wisdom that others have to offer, and others will experience the same from us. It is a time for great exchange of love and compassion in all your relationships. So be ready, enjoy this feeling, nurture this feeling, nurture your relationships. It is a time to expand yourself, your gifts, and your fragrance everywhere that you go. Namah Shivaya.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Moksha Pat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Mokshpat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Atma Namaste, beautiful souls, how are you all doing? My name is Karishma and I'm going to talk about spirituality for this week, which is from 15th to 21st of September. Spirituality involves a search for meaning and purpose in our lives. It is a connection to something greater than yourself, such as higher power or universe. The guidance for this week is that you cannot use your spirituality as a coping or an escape mechanism. In today's world, the real struggle is maintaining a balance between spiritual and material life. When you feel stuck or victimized is when you feel that spirituality is the only thing that will help you come out. And on the other days, you only think about materialistic things and about gaining power. But the true essence of spirituality is not this. This is just an escape mechanism. You have to be honest to yourself and accept your flaws. You also have to accept the other person as they are. Remember that you do not always have to be in a commanding position and keep doing things, but rather accept your softer feminine side, gain experience of learning to be mindful and express yourself. Also learn to create a balance in your life. Practice meditation regularly so that you can connect your inner self and search for your soul's purpose, which will in turn give you insights about taking your life to a higher and a deeper level without any judgment and victimization. Prioritize yourself, as this will in turn make you internally very happy and peaceful. Also, seek guidance from spiritual mentors this week, as this will enhance your spiritual path. Thank you.
Namaste, divine souls. I'm Alpa, your Mokshpata expert and guide, with you in the Punch Portal program for the period of 15th September to 21st September 2025. Seeking guidance from the Mokshpata board regarding business and profession. This spirit feels very positive and supportive for your work and business journey. You will be giving priority to your responsibilities and completing tasks with full focus and intention. There will be a natural alignment between your professional actions and inner values. While making deals or signing contracts, you will be guided by honesty, clarity, and a strong sense of fairness. Your leadership will be based on truth, and communication will carry depth and trust. You will respect your colleagues, staff, and employees and take time to listen and understand their perspectives. The energy of this time supports actions that not only bring personal success but also uplift others connected to your work. It is an ideal time to walk on the path of ethics, do your duties sincerely, and stay loyal to what is right. If you feel cold, you may also initiate or support activities that create positive social impact or community upliftment through your work. This is also a favorable phase to build strong, long-term collaborations rooted in mutual respect. Allow your work to reflect your purpose and let each effort be an offering towards something greater. Your sincerity and value-driven efforts can open new doors and deepen trust with those you serve. Wishing you a meaningful and successful week ahead. Signing off with blessings and guidance always. Have a great week ahead.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ मीनू, आपकी दोस्त, आपकी साथी. आई एम अ लाइफ कोच, अ डिविनेशन एक्सपर्ट एंड an energy therapist. Today I am going to give you the guidance for your finances from September 15th to September 21st according to Mokshpat board. आय की दृष्टि से ये सप्ताह आपके लिए सामान्य रहेगा। बस आपके लिए सुझाव ये है कि आप अपनी आय की तुलना किसी अन्य से ना करें, क्योंकि जब हम तुलना करते हैं तो हमारा ध्यान अभाव की ओर जाता है, जिससे हम और भी अभाव को ही आकर्षित करते हैं। बजाय इसके जो भी आपकी आय है उसके लिए ईश्वर का धन्यवाद करें, जिससे ईश्वर आपको धन्यवाद करने के और भी अधिक अवसर प्रदान करेगा। साथ ही सावधान और सचेत रहकर पिछली गलतियों से संभल कर अपनी आय को खर्च करें। शो अ नर्चरिंग एंड कंपैशनेट वे टू इन्वेस्ट योर मनी फॉर द बेस्ट एंड हाईएस्ट गुड ऑफ ऑल। यदि आप इन सब बातों का ध्यान रखते हैं तो निश्चित ही आपकी आय में दिन दूनी रात चौगुनी वृद्धि होगी। आपकी आय निरंतर बढ़ती रहे, इसी कामना के साथ विदा लेती हूँ। मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक नई गाइडेंस के साथ। टिल देन स्टे ट्यून एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड। बाय।
That is all for this week, and I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you, and see you all next week once again.